guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a collab with my friend Jessica. Her channel is Jessica Myros, and I'll be sure to link all of her information down in my description box. Our video collaboration is a self-care spa inspired day where we are going to show you how to take care of yourself so that you can take care of your family, and just give some tips. I'm sure our videos are going to be similar but a lot different, so stick around and see what we both have in store for you. And let's start off with my video. When you are finished watching this video, go over and watch hers, and I will see you in a little bit.
Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Myros. I'm glad that you're here. We have two little boys and I make content for everyone, from food to lifestyle, motherhood. I hope you guys enjoy.
This is what my notebook looks like. I got it from Target and it was $3, I believe, and it's pretty thick, but it just has a to-do section, which I like, and then priorities, and then for later. I just kind of jot down right here everything that I want to do, and then if it's a major priority, I'll put it there, and if it's something I'm just not really worried about, I'll put it here. So that is what I was writing on earlier. I'm not sure if I'll be showing you guys this clip, but this is real life. I have not a lick of makeup on, not mascara or anything, and I'm still in my pajamas and a sweater that I took, or I wore to take Aiden to school in. But I've pretty much almost finished my water, taken my vitamin, which is my last vitamin. I had to go on a vitamin D because my vitamin D was low and it was making me really fatigued and tired, and it also causes depression and anxiety. So if you've experienced any of those symptoms and you didn't know why, it could be vitamin D. I had no idea that's what mine was. I had my blood work done a month ago and I've been on the vitamins for a month. They're a really strong vitamin D vitamin that I take once a week. I just took my last one, so I'll have to go get my blood taken again probably to recheck it. But in the morning I just like to have just a few minutes to have a quick breakfast. It's usually been an omelet or something with eggs, a lot of protein. I'm trying to eat a lot healthier, and I'll jot down my to-do list and try to drink some water, and then now it's time for my shower and to get ready and start working. So my Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays look a lot different than my Tuesday and Thursdays. Today is a Tuesday, so I'm showing you guys what all I do on that day. And then I'll also let you in on some things that I do the other day. I've just taken my shower and I'm gonna go over my skincare routine with you guys. So Jack ended up wanting to take a bath. So I have him over there while I am right here recording, so I won't have any trouble keeping an eye on him while I'm doing this, or I probably wouldn't have chosen to give him a bath right now. But it's actually kind of good. It's keeping him situated while I can do my skincare routine.
I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll
to check in. This is like, I would say, my third cup of water, which is also very important for me to drink. I can tell how dehydrated I get when I don't drink my water. And I am just kind of listening to the kids play in the backyard. Our house is very small, so there's tons of places I can be where I can still keep an eye on them. So that's a good thing about this house. We've had lunch and got my middle son home. My husband will be home soon, and it's been a good day, a productive day. I just remembered I left stuff in the car from Target. We went earlier. I'll let you know later what I'm doing for self-care. I know for sure that I'll be going to the gym in about 3 hours, and I do a workout, and that's really good for me to get my exercise in and also just some alone time and focus on myself. So let me run outside and get my stuff before it melts. Here is taking an Epsom salt bath, and this one is the Target brand. I got relaxing coconut oil. This one is compared to Dr. Teal. So I just have my candle lit, my bath towel, using this. When I get out, I'll do my nighttime routine, which is wash my makeup off with this Purity one-step facial cleanser, and then I put on this moisturizer again because I'm out of my Origins. That's what I usually use at night. It's a night cream. And then the rose hip oil, the rose hip seed oil. I'll show you how I use it. And of course, it's not going to zoom in for some reason. I think it's, I don't know why this camera does not zoom in very good, or focus, I mean. Normally I would wash my face in the tub and then come out and do my moisturizing, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just washing it after I took my bath. So I brushed my teeth. I'm getting the water warmed up, and if that helps with some of the lighting. I am using Purity, the one-step facial cleanser, to get all my makeup off, because I found that it actually does get the mascara off the best. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to check out Jessica's channel and her YouTube video in collaboration with this one. I'll leave all of the information linked down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.